Okay, on this video, we're going to talk about how we're going to change the pixel art that we created into a mystery picture. You'll then have the opportunity to share these mystery pictures with other kids in the class and have them try to solve it. So the first thing I do want to look at and talk about is making sure that our conditional formatting is correct. So once again, you're going to come up to this white block in the corner, click it one time so that the entire sheet is highlighted. And then open up your conditional formatting. So, format, conditional formatting. So here you can see all the different colors. Black is 1, green is 2, this red color is 3, 4, 5, and so on. So you're going to have your colors here. So make sure all of your colors are listed, that there's not any extra colors that don't belong, and that your range looks like it is the same for each of the colors, so it's filling the whole sheet. So if you're sure that that's done and that's correct, then we can go ahead and copy this sheet. So it's already highlighted. So we're going to copy it by hitting Control and the letter C, just like we always do. Now you're going to come down to the second sheet that you have listed in your template. And once again, you're going to click in that corner to highlight the entire sheet. And this time what we're going to do is we are going to paste our picture into the sheet. Control V as in Victor to paste. And when I do that, it'll take a second because everything's very slow. It'll pop and populate the cells to make it fill in with your picture. I'm frozen right now. Here it comes. All right. So you can see it's coming in slowly, and there's my picture. If you added rows and columns to the original template, you will need to add the extra rows and columns in here before you copy and paste over, because you need to have enough cells in order for your picture to transfer. So just make sure you add those extra rows and columns if you need them. All right, so now we have a duplicate, right? We have this one, which is the one you created, and then we have the one that we copied. And the way that we're going to make our conditional formatting is to simply remove the colors here. Now, before I do that, I think it's important that we leave the color code. So in order to leave the color code, what we can do is we can just fill these with paint. So I'm going to make the first one black. Oh, hello. I forgot that I'm highlighted still. So let's unhighlight everything. Click off of it. There we go. Let's make the first one black. We're going to fill the second one with green. We're going to fill the third one with red. So this way, when I get rid of all my other conditional formatting, these blocks will remain, so that the people who are working on your file will know what the color is supposed to be. This is gray, and the last one's orange. So now that I filled all of those with paint, now I'm going to delete my conditional formatting. So watch what happens as I go through and I delete each one. Trash cans delete. The color disappears, but those numbers you typed in are left behind. So I'm going to go through. I'm going to delete all my colors. And then all we have left are the numbers. So now when somebody gets your mystery picture, they're going to need to use the colors to fill in where the numbers are to recreate your picture. So it's kind of like, for this, you can kind of generally see what it's supposed to be, but they're not going to really know what the picture looks like until they fill out the whole thing. All right, so that's basically what you needed to do. So now I have my one picture on sheet 1 that is the actual picture of what it should look like. And then in the second sheet, I have the color code for the mystery picture. And this is what it needs to look like before you go ahead and turn in your assignment. So once you are done with that and you're happy with the way that it looks and you're happy with the way that this looks, you can go ahead to your assignment, come down to your template, and make sure you turn that template in so that I know that you are done your pixel art. All right, as usual, if you have any questions, just let me know, and I will be over to help you as soon as I can.